Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial component for those operating DJI T30 and T10 plant protection UAVs. The Gearbox Assembly 00410. This isn't just any spare part. It's described as a 100% brand new, high-quality replacement designed specifically for these agriculture drones. When you're relying on your drone for critical farming tasks, having reliable parts is non-negotiable, and this Gearbox assembly aims to meet that need. The description highlights that this Gearbox is made from high-quality material, emphasizing its durability and practical use in the demanding environment of agricultural spraying. It's not just about functionality. The part is also described as delicate and exquisite, suggesting attention to detail in its manufacturing. This level of finish is important because it indicates that the part is designed to highly match the original equipment, ensuring a seamless fit and proper operation within the complex mechanics of the drone. A perfect fit is essential to avoid any issues that could compromise the drone's performance or safety during flight. Furthermore, the Gearbox is noted for being solid and durable, promising a long service life. For professional drone operators, minimizing downtime is key. A part that lasts longer means fewer replacements and less time spent on maintenance, allowing the drone to stay in the air and productive. The reliability aspect is crucial. You need to trust that this component will perform consistently under load, especially given the stresses placed on drone gearboxes during flight and operation. One of the most appealing aspects mentioned is the ease of installation. For many operators, being able to quickly and reliably replace a part like the gearbox themselves can save significant time and potentially costly service fees. The description states it's easy to install and reliable to use, which is a major plus for field repairs or routine maintenance. This suggests that the design allows for straightforward replacement, getting your drone back into action with minimal fuss. Overall, this Gearbox Assembly 00410 appears to be presented as a high-quality, durable, and easy-to-install replacement part that is essential for maintaining the operational efficiency and longevity of DJI T30 and T10 agriculture drones. It's designed to be a perfect match for the original equipment, ensuring that your valuable drone continues to perform reliably in the field.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.